Okay, folks, so I'm trying to get this door open on this Dakota. And this is the one I bought out of the junkyard. The forklift got hold to it. They're telling me it slipped off the forks and crushed the door up into the rocker. And as you can see, it's a quad cabber. And I don't want to damage this door if I can help it. Got a couple of nicks on it already, but nothing that can't be fixed. But yeah, I just got to get this. Seems to be loose in there. Pretty good gap. I think it's a gap big enough it's raining in it. So let's see if we can pop it loose down up into here. Need to gain access and trying to sell parts off this thing. All right, I got it. So yeah, I'm gonna get a sledgehammer and try to beat the damn jam back down so I can close it back, because it rained a ton this past week. And it was raining in it. I don't want it to rain in it no more than I have to. So great. So now I can get the I think I can get the radio out, because you had to open the door so I can get all this off. Get this bezel all off here. So great. I'm gonna try to sell these seats out of it too. All right, folks, let's see if we can beat this rocker panel back down. She's knocked up a good 6 inches easy. See what happens. I don't know. I don't think that's gonna work. Let's try it. Yeah. I think that worked pretty good. We got the bottom of this needs to be beat out also. That's why I got the other hammer. Let's keep working on this. Let me look up here, see what all we can do. I don't know about that. It's not much of a lip there. It's bent up so bad, not much of a lip to grab onto with the hammer. Let's see if I can take that. Yep. Just screwed up. Just close the door again. I just screwed up. Let's see. Another way. Can't get hold of nothing up in here. see if we can get a hold of it, guys. Let's see if we can get this door open. Thank goodness. Whew. Thank the Lord. That helps a little bit. See if I can get you guys in here. I don't know that I can. Yeah, there you go. You can see that, I think. Bear with me, guys. Trying to get you in here where you can see a little bit better. Right here is what I'm working on. Trying to get that to go. I need to hit it with two hands and I can't. Can't hit it with two hands. Let me grab a big giant pair of pliers and see if I can grab hold to it that way and pull on it. Be right back. All right, folks, I got this tool right here. I have never used this. I bought it because I just said, you know, gotta be someday I can use that. This may be the day. Let me show you what I'm up against right here. If you guys can see that. Let's see where we're at right here. See how it's bent in right here? It's V'd in really bad. Let's get you back over here. There you go. I just want to get that a little straighter, and it's pushed in pretty bad. So that's what we're working on. Let's see if I can get you set back up on the tripod. Let's see if we can grab hold to something here. Got him sliding. It's working though. Got it about halfway. Let's reset. That helped a bunch. Let's reset. Let's tighten it up a little bit. That's too loose. Damn. I'll tell you what, that is a lot better. But it ain't mo betters. Yeah, I guess it is mo betters. But it ain't mo betters enough. Let's see what we can get right here. It used to be so peaceful out here. I used to, when I first moved out here, there wasn't nothing happening. That's too loose. Yeah, every damn thing's going on out here. Traffic all day long. What in the world? Yeah, I'm dealing with a glare and fogged up glasses, guys. I can't see what the hell I'm doing. lot better. As a matter of fact, it might be good enough. Gotta get a bigger swing than that. It might be good enough. It might not be. I just close the door and be able to open it again. That's all I asked for. Man, she is whacked right there. Might be a good idea. No, I'm gonna do it. Let me cut you off, and I'm gonna try to close this door again. I'm gonna reset you. All right, when you reset, I'm gonna beat this down a little bit more. Let's see what happens. Well, that's better than it was. And it latches now. Yeah. Okay. Let's try to do this again. About as good as we get. See how it looks up top of here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That'll work. That's all I need, is keep it get wet. Not trying to repair the door. That is exactly what I needed right there. All right, folks. I consider that a job done. How about that? She's still, let me get you off the tripod here. We don't have that hard V we had. This still had the sunken in spot there. That's where the pliers, these pliers here were biting into it. But that's okay, as long as it opens and closes. That's perfect. That is perfect. Okay. All right, guys. Bob out.